Welcome to Tattoo 18. Peacock feather tattoos are one of the most elegant and meaningful designs loved by soft-hearted girls. They are not just beautiful, they carry emotion, grace, spirituality, and inner strength. The peacock feather is deeply connected to Indian culture. It is associated with Lord Krishna, who always wears a feather on his crown. That feather represents love, beauty, kindness, and divine protection. For many girls, choosing a peacock feather tattoo is not just about style. It's about expressing their pure heart and gentle personality. Soft-hearted girls usually prefer designs that are delicate, graceful, and feminine. A small peacock feather tattoo on the wrist looks very classy and subtle. It feels light, just like their nature. Every time they look at it, it reminds them to stay kind and calm in every situation. Another beautiful idea is a tiny peacock feather behind the ear. This placement looks cute and slightly hidden, perfect for girls who are shy but confident inside. It gives a magical and artistic vibe. If someone wants a more creative touch, they can add watercolor style to the feather. Soft shades of blue, green, and a little golden highlight make it look dreamy. Watercolor peacock feathers represent emotions flowing freely, just like a sensitive and caring heart. Some girls love adding a small quote with the feather. Words like stay graceful, free soul, or believe in magic can enhance the meaning. The feather represents freedom and positivity, so pairing it with motivational words makes it even more special. An ankle peacock feather tattoo is also a very cute option. It looks stylish when wearing sandals or traditional outfits. It gives a mix of modern and traditional beauty for girls who love minimal tattoos. A single fine line peacock feather is perfect. Thin lines, simple design, no heavy shading, just pure elegance. This style shows that beauty doesn't need to be loud. Another trending idea is combining a peacock feather with a small heart or infinity symbol. This can represent eternal love, loyalty, and emotional depth. Soft-hearted girls often feel deeply, love deeply, and care deeply. This combination beautifully represents that. Shoulder blade placement is another graceful option. A slightly curved feather following the shoulder line looks very artistic and feminine. It gives a classy appearance without being too bold. Some girls also like adding tiny birds flying from the feather tip. This symbolizes freedom from past pain and moving towards happiness. It tells a silent story, a story of growth and strength. Peacock feathers also symbolize protection from negative energy. The eye of the feather is believed to guard against evil, so this tattoo becomes both decorative and meaningful. The best part about peacock feather tattoos is that they suit every skin tone and body type. Whether small or slightly detailed, they always look elegant. For soft-hearted girls, tattoos are not about showing off. They are about feelings. They choose designs that reflect their inner world, their kindness, emotions, dreams, and love. So if you are someone who believes in grace, softness, and silent strength, a cute peacock feather tattoo might be perfect for you. Choose a size that matches your comfort. Choose colors that reflect your personality. And most importantly, choose a design that speaks to your heart. Because a tattoo is not just ink on skin. It is a story. It is a feeling. It is a piece of your soul. If you love meaningful and adorable tattoo ideas like this, subscribe to Tattoo 18 and keep exploring your creativity. Drop your comments about this video. Thanks for watching. Your heart is soft, but your spirit is strong. Let your peacock feather remind you of that every single day.